Tilta recently released a cage for the Insta360 X3, and Tilta is very well known for their cages, so this is going to give your X3 now an added layer of protection, and will also add a bunch of mounting points around it and a cold shoe mount so you could attach a microphone or a light. So let's open this up and see if it's worth the $40-50 bucks they're charging for this. So this cage for the X3 is made out of aluminum. There's this type of quick release system that allows you to slide the camera inside the cage, and then you lock it in place with this little lever here. They made sure to leave all the buttons accessible, and they put a couple extra new mounting points on the cage, which is very handy because I always had a problem with the X3's 1/4 inch mounting point that they give you on the bottom of this thing. So unless I was buying a lot of other accessories and getting locked into this thing, I really didn't like that. I also have a bunch of leftover junk and mounting stuff from my GoPros, and now Tilta has also made this little spot, the little butterfly mounts, and now you can use all your GoPro rigging stuff. The other thing I really love about this cage is that it gives you this little lens protector. You slide this thing 90 degrees, and now you can put it down on the ground, or if it ever falls on the table, which happens all the time, now your lenses are going to be protected. I never ended up buying those little lens protectors for 20 bucks. I mean, these things are worth 20 cents each to make. So that always kind of irked me that Insta360 was just trying to sell you some stuff and leaving the expensive lenses wide open, because as soon as those lenses scratch or get broken, your camera's pretty much done for. So they come in 3 different colors also. You can get it in a pink color and also a silver and this black color here. Let's pop this on the camera and go get some shots, see how it works. So I had some time to mess around with the cage and the X3, and I really like this. I think this is a great investment. It's always worth investing in something that's going to protect your gear a little more. And this feels now super sturdy. It feels like a little zoom microphone. Another thing I really like, boom, you can just put it down any side now, and you don't have to worry about it tipping over so easily. That was always one problem. Now you're just like, boom, it's gonna stay, and you know it's not gonna fall over. So a very cool cage for your X3. I think it's definitely worth it. 40 to 50 bucks. If you can find this on sale, I would say definitely get it. This really makes this thing a usable piece of gear and something that will hopefully stay in your kit for a long time. They also have new cages for GoPro lines, so Tilta is really crushing it these days. I would check them out. Hit that subscribe button because I'd love to see you at the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Take care.